Don't take more one.
I'm like, they're gonna be bored.
All right, well, let's go. Let's go. Okay. All right, we'll get everyone to move to the back of the boat for just a second. Way up to the back. There you go. Fantastic. All right, you guys on this side can come back up to the front. Okay, everyone on this side, I'll get you to move up just a little ways, and I'll get you to switch over to this side if you would.
Okay, sure. Right, just call us the windshields, right?
Huh?
Call us the windshields.
For the time was the governor of the Port Prince of Wales across the river. He's also he's famous for being the first European to walk to the Arctic Ocean across the Barren Lands. So we walked from here to the mouth of the Coppermine River, which is on the edge of the Arctic Ocean. Seal. Is his head sticking up there? Number one, oh, another one coming in off our right-hand side. Keep your eyes peeled out there, comes up again. Yeah, there's one. Oh, look at that. Not too much water. Oh, look, a mom and a baby on the right-hand side. Yeah, we'll probably unload one or maybe two at a time, but not all three at a time. Leave me in here for a place to the fire. And now we have to take the Zodiac back out. Two ways to the rocks. A little bit more challenging,
But not for a professional like you, right?
I think we'll make it on yet. It'll be a little bit of a struggle, but we'll get there. All right, we'll get you to jump off here. You're gonna have to time it with the waves in order to get off. Let's try. Good. Hang on there a second.
You're not helping much.
Are we getting wet in the back?
Yeah.
You want me to get in the back?
No, I just asked if they were getting wet in the back.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tell me when.
Hey, just hang on a sec. Okay, everyone take their seat. Okay, everyone take a seat. Yep.
Sorry, Deacon. Deacon just jumped in for us, guys.
Hang on just a second there. Yeah, the beach would have worked, but a little too rough on the back end. Well, we tried. I apologize for anyone who got a little wet.
It was an adventure, right?
It was an adventure.
It was another adventure. So that's the idea we put a change of clothes
A little squishy, you went.
Nope. We tried.
All with it.
야, 이거 왜 되나?
Where'd she go?
아니, 그거라면.
Pass this boat to get a better view.
You go, girl. It's like, where are the kids wandering off to?
Yeah, extra top, I think they call it.
Yeah, a lot of people. Oh, look at that cup down the right. Man, is that one dirty? It's fun. It gets you around a little bit in the winter time. Alright, there's going to be a little bit of a bump as we come up to the dock here. Here's Yeah, you're right.